Hi folks, Robert O'Brien from O'Brien Guitars and the Luthier Academy. Occasionally I pull a piece of wood off my wood stash that has a small blemish on it. And I think, why discard a perfectly good piece of lumber because of a small blemish like a wormhole or other small defect that is easily fixed with a few minutes of work? Recently, LMI sent me some fretboards with exactly that problem. They received a large stash of ebony fretboards, and other than just a few small wormholes, these things are great. And they're very easily fixed, and they're selling them cheap. So here are a couple of the ebony fretboards that LMI sent me recently. They go from the very dark to the dark with a few streaks in them. And this is perfectly normal in today's ebony. However, they do have some wormholes in them, and those are easily taken care of. Here's one way to fix it. Just put a little bit of CA glue on the wormholes, and then come in with some sandpaper and create a little bit of sawdust. You may need to add a couple of coats, and those are perfectly filled. That's one way to fix it. Another way to fix these blemishes is to use the Glue Boost Fill and Finish in the black color. Just come in, add a little bit on there, and you can just hit it with the accelerator, or you can also come in and just sand it, just like we did before. If you need to, add a second application. And there you go. So as you can see, it's very easy to fix those blemishes. And these fretboards from LMI are, other than this, are great quality ebony. And they're cheap. Did I mention that? I'm going to stock up on a few myself. Suggest you do the same. Happy building.